5 heads. I got a different one for you today. We are down here with my friend Luke. He has built himself a Datsun. Let's go and have a look at it. Here we go. G'day Luke, tell us about your car, mate.
Hey Luke, there's two Lukes here. Yeah man, this is a 1969 Datsun 1600. I've owned her now for about 10 years. I've got it pretty much granny spec, stock as a rock. And
spinning granddad's heads out there.
Yeah, well, we're just saying, pretty much all ages. Well, the younger ones don't know what this is, but they still look. It's loud, obnoxious, and I love it. It's just me. So the build started in 2020, just before COVID. So I started the build, and then me and my wife recently got married that year, so we couldn't go on holidays. So I used the holiday money to buy a Rotary, and I put the Rotary in there. Oh, I didn't. I got a workshop to do it, and yeah, it was in and out within 6 months, and I've slowly just done things to it, like slammed it, did the suspension, did the rear end, got the wheels, nice small 14-inch wheels. Also, haven't touched the interior. I like the old school interior, red leather. It's definitely something you don't see around anymore, that type of interior. So kept it as original as I can inside, and yeah, pretty happy with the exterior as well. So I'm pretty content on the way it looks and the way it is. I mean, I've got 2 kids now, so I can't really spend any more money. So yeah, it stays in the garage most of the time these days. I try and get out as much as I can, but other than that, this is my happiness. This is what makes me sane. So yeah, I'm glad you enjoyed it. Hopefully Luke puts together a nice little picture collage and enjoy.
There you go. There you go, Clay Wong, Mighty Car Mods, Top Gear, Need for Speed. Eat your heart out, we got the best one right here. The Datsun.